Happy Thursday. Welcome to Spicy Roy's Cooking Show. Today we're gonna make jerk coconut curry chicken. So what I do, have some jerk chicken ahead. So I'm gonna put just like a tablespoon of cooking oil inside this. And over here I have my Wakazu jerk. I have a Better Pot curry from Jamaica, all-purpose season. These two give it a good flavor. And I have Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. It's gonna combine the flavor. I have turmeric as well. And I have some chicken noodle from Jamaica where I sieve to get the noodles out so I can have that add some flavor. And I have coconut milk here. With my Better Pot curry from Jamaica, I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of curry. After that, so if you notice, I'm cooking the curry a little first. Then I'm gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric as well. Going. Now I can add half cup of coconut milk, gonna let this simmer for 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the thickened nogo. Into it from Jamaica. Let that go like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add another half cup of coconut milk. So this is really easy to cook. This takes at least 20 minutes. Because you already burned the curry. That's the first step. So you get home from work and you really need something fast. This is really easy. A quarter teaspoon of green jerk. Then I'm gonna add my jerk chicken. Let this sit and get the flavor in it for the next 8 minutes. And you're good to go. So now, this is the final look of the dish. There you have it. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, please comment, And remember, I told you last week that we have an event coming up on the 8th of June. We're celebrating Juneteenth and June 8th at 856 North 13th Street. Please to come out and share your blessing with us while we celebrate our ancestor and give thanks for where we're at right now. Thank you. See you again next week. Peace.